What's good, my tech friends? This is the one Logitech boss. So today, I need to stop saying today because I mean it's just every day, isn't it, bruv? Every day. Anyway, as you can see, I have the Logitech G513 Carbon. This, I believe, is the Carbon edition. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. But this apparently is it's got a carbon effect or something like that. I'm not entirely sure, but I just say it's carbon. But I got it to go with my mouse. You can see we got the nice, beautiful Logitech MX Master 2S. So I bought this to go along with my peripherals on my setup, which is behind me. The setup will be coming soon. I've got a video coming out for it soon, so it's gonna be awesome. I literally rebuilt the whole thing, so it's gonna look absolutely mad. That's all I tell you. So stick around for that video because it's gonna be mad, like I said. But anyway, so we're gonna crack this box open. We're gonna unbox it, see what it's like. I'm gonna use it for a few days and then probably review it. Well, I will review it just like we normally do on this beautiful channel. But anyway, like I said, this is the Logitech G513 GT. This is the GT edition model. They've got the Logitech G513 GL as well, but this one is the more expensive one, so I think this one's much better because this is the GT version of it. So anyway, let's go around the box quickly. As you can see, we've got a nice, nice picture of obviously the keyboard and what to expect. Then we just have a few brand names and stuff like that. And on the side we have the Logitech logo, which is just right there as well. And then on the other side we have Logitech, we have G513 Carbon written on the side there. And then moving on to the top part, we just have the Logitech logo on there as well. And then at the back, at the other side, we just have a few details about the whole Logitech. Well, I don't know. No, just a few details. And then at the back, we have a few specification and a little bit of information of what this keyboard actually has. So it's got RGB built in, so which is pretty cool. So it's gonna have a nice effect, RPG lights and all that stuff to make your setup look amazing. And then it's got what's this? A Remo G like line ear. I don't know, but I think that picture there basically just tells you what the keyboards are made out of, kind of thing. You know what I mean? How it's designed and what's put in it to make it a nice touch or a mechanical feel or whatever it is. But yeah, and then it's got a USB built in as well, which can power pretty much anything. And then obviously we got the ALMG, no idea what that is, but it's made out of aluminium, like it says there. I don't know if you can see it, but it says that they're made out of aluminium. But yeah, so this should be like, the box does feel a little bit, it's quite hefty. It's not heavy, but it's just hefty. But yeah, let's crack this box and see what's in the box. Just trying to see if there's any more information you guys need to know. Yeah, it's a mechanical keyboard, and yeah, it's mainly built for gaming, which is what I bought this for, and for productivity as well. And as you can see from my last video, we had a small rose gold knife, but today we got a big ass rose gold knife, which looks fucking amazing. If you mess with me, I will probably shank you or slice your throat or slice you up, dice you up like that. You know how it is. But yeah, anyway, let's put this to the side. We don't need a knife anymore. Let's put it right there. But yeah, let's open the box up. So, nice opening experience. You open up the tab and you got this little thing there to, for you to be able to pull the keyboard out, so you don't have to faff around trying to get it out. So you just pull it out. And by the way, I hope you guys like the new setup. I've been working on something. I've been working on something real good, and you know, I've got this whole. It's just a bang. It just bangs. I'm testing it out with this video, as well as making this video, which is pretty damn cool. But let's put this away. Babe, take care of that, please. Thank you. But yeah, there's nothing really on the box, really. Oh yeah, by the way, this has got a wrist rest as well, which I can't wait to see, because I think it's made out of leather. That's all I know at the moment, but I mean, we'll see it and it will speak for itself. Anyway, let's open this up. Boom. Wow, look at that. Looks absolutely amazing. Smells new. Well, let's grab this out. So, let's get this box here out first. Oh wow. Wow. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Wow. Big props for the way they've boxed this up. They boxed it up so nicely. Wow. Oh my god, I'm seeing loads of cables. Wow, USB. Okay, let's put the main attraction to the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Literally, we got some warranty paper and stuff like that. What else we got? That's it. Oh, a bit about how to use the device. Don't need that. We don't need that. Like I said to you guys, we don't need any quick start guides or whatever. What's that? Nothing on this side. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is that wrist rest. And wow, it is. Whew, it is. Wow. It is soft. It is. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is soft. Made out of leather. Not real leather, but you know, just leather. Literally is really soft. Look how much soft that is. Wow. Let's open it up. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. It's leather. Look how much indent that makes when I press it. That is amazing. That is. I think that's going to be comfortable for gaming, for a long session of gaming, but that's pretty damn cool. Let's see what's in here. The wire and stuff. How do you get into this? Oh, sick. That is mad. Choo! Oh my god. Wow, wow. That's amazing. Look at that. Wow. You get letters. Look at that. These are the keys are I can't even talk. Interchangeable. So they give you extra keys, so you can change them when they wear out, or if you just want to change them. And you got this nice little picky thing, so you can obviously change it up and, you know, grab the letter, pull it out, and install the new one. Well, yeah, anyway, we got, wow, this is a pretty long cable. It's braided as well, which is absolutely amazing. It's braided, so that's not going to be tearing or ripping apart anytime soon. So, from my understanding, you get one that actually, works the keyboard, and then you get one that actually works the USB on the keyboard. So you've got like a nice little thing that tells you what one's for the keyboard, which is that one, and you then have this one for the USB, which is on the actual keyboard, and then it's got this nice Logitech logo on both of them, which is pretty cool. Now let's open this keyboard up. Wow, it's got quite a nice, it's got a nice heft to it, which makes which makes it, you know, sound and look like it's quality. It's got a good quality to it. Wow, that's amazing, man. Wow, that's actually quite heavy, man. It's got a nice heft to it. That is sturdy, that ain't going nowhere. You put down your mouse pad on a piece or a piece of wood, that ain't going nowhere. You see, it's got nice black, it's got a matte finish on the keys, which is pretty damn cool. And also you've got these nice hinges you can open up to obviously give yourself more levitation in case it's too low for you, so you can either rise or up like this, which is nice, or you can sit it flat, which is pretty damn flipping good. And then this is the USB I was talking to you guys about. You can literally charge anything up, or you even put your mouse through there if you don't want a cable going all the way down to the end of the desk. You can put the mouse in there, and yeah, it's pretty damn flipping cool. And also all these letters and keys, they're all RGB, so they do light up when obviously you have it plugged in. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Literally all the wow, I'm speechless. It's got a bit of weight to it, which makes it look absolutely professional and makes it look it's got good quality and good class to it. You know, you're messing around with a high-end gaming keyboard basically. But yeah, and I like this nice finish on the actual keyboard, which is here's like it's aluminium. It's got a nice aluminium finish to it, which looks absolutely amazing. Probably do a little B-roll of it, of it lit up and everything, and then show you guys. But yeah, that's gonna go nicely with my MX Master 2S. But yeah, it's a nice, the same color. It's just amazing. I can't wait to put this on my setup, which is behind me, and yeah, I can't wait to do a review on this bad boy as well. Right, now we've got the keyboard out of the box. Let's put this wrist rest on and see what it looks like. So it literally just slaps on right there like that, literally just like that. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. That looks mean. That looks, wow. That it gives a lot of support as well to your wrist when you're gaming as well. So it's not on the desk. You've got this nice, soft, nice comfort here just to play the games with, for the mouse, all that. It's nice, and I can see myself playing Fortnite on this. Everything it's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, I could have gone for any other branded keyboards, but I thought, you know what, I want to stay to Logitech and be truthful to them and get a Logitech keyboard because I got a Logitech mouse. But let me show you guys what this looks like from your angle. So this is how it sits, literally just like this, boom, 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 just like that. That's how it sits, and it looks absolutely amazing. If someone sees this on your setup, they'll be like, whoa, this guy is, this guy knows his thing. He's gaming in pure luxury. But anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, I hope you like the new setup, new layout, everything for the videos. And yeah, I'm working so hard on this YouTube thing, and hopefully we'll expand, get bigger, get products to review, unbox, stuff like that, and yeah, we'll go from there. But yeah, like I said, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to smash that like button, also subscribe as well, turn on that bell icon down there as well to tell you when I've uploaded, so you don't miss out any of my videos. And also look down below, my Instagram is there because that's the best place you can see what I've got, what I'm going to do in the video and things like that, which is going to be helpful. And then I've got a Facebook page as well. Go hit that up and have a look. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Anyway, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.